I think I messed up by not telling you about these AI tools sooner. Making $10,000 a month might sound like a dream, but it's totally possible with the right AI tools in affiliate marketing. Most people struggle online, spending hours for a few $100. Frustrating, right? But here's the secret. It's not just about a good product or fancy website. You need the right strategy and tools. AI can help you create high-quality content, stunning visuals, and optimize your marketing. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She went from $500 to $10,000 monthly in 6 months using AI tools. No prior experience, just action. So want to unlock $10,000 a month? Embrace AI and affiliate marketing and watch the magic happen. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts below and check out my other videos for more tips.